In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort databases in Notion. A simple and essential tutorial perfect for beginners diving into the Notion universe. If you've been wondering how to bring order to your data, stay tuned as we explore step by step how to efficiently utilize Notion's sorting capabilities. Whether organizing your projects, keeping track of important dates, or simply tidying up your workspace, understanding how to sort your databases is crucial. To commence this journey in Notion, open a database. You might find this database in a project you've been managing, or a new one you've just created. Your database could contain anything from a to-do list to a catalog of your book collection. Notion databases are versatile, providing you with a powerful tool to manage various types of information. Once you've got your database open, the next move is to look at the top of your screen where you'll find the Sort option. By clicking on Sort, you unveil the powerful sorting functionalities that Notion offers. This is where you can decide the order in which you want your data to be displayed, making it easier for you to navigate through the information. It's like a magical button that lets you bring the most important tasks or pieces of information right to the front. Next, you'll be selecting the property by which you want to sort your database entries. This is where things get personal and tailored to your specific needs. Maybe organizing your tasks by date is your priority, ensuring you never miss a deadline. Or perhaps sorting by priority will help ensure you're tackling the most critical items first. It's all up to you and how you want your information to be presented. After choosing your property, it's time to decide the order, ascending or descending. If you're sorting by date, ascending will show you the oldest dates first, working towards the future. Meanwhile, descending order will put the newest dates, or your most recent entries, right at the top. If you're sorting priorities, ascending might take you from the least urgent to the most urgent, a perfect setup for gradually working through your task list. The descending order would do the opposite, highlighting those top priority items demanding your immediate attention. And there you have it, a straightforward way to bring more organization and clarity into your Notion databases using the Sort feature. Taking control of how your data is sorted empowers you to work more efficiently, focusing on what's important whenever you want to revisit your database. Remember, the ease and beauty of Notion are in its customization options. Feel free to play around with these settings and observe what works best for your workflow. Thanks for joining me today, and happy sorting.